Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my scrapbooking store March kit. Excuse me. So for the March kit, we are using paper from Cartabella and it is the Flora collection number 6. I'm not sure what that means, but and let's see, this is, I'm looking for a date. It does say 2023. So this collection came out in 2023. So last year, and it's not that old. It's only maybe a year old. Okay, so first up we have this St. Patrick's Day paper, and I'm not sure if this one came in this kit. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, I think this is from a different kit. I'm not sure, but it just says Happy St. Patrick's Day on it, and then it has lots of different words: party, lucky, Irish, March. Maybe that's all it has. So that's kind of cute. I like that. So right now all I have for this kit is the main kit. I haven't received my upgrade kit yet. The owner did, when she was talking to me recently, say that unfortunately for this month they weren't able to send the kits out early or before the month of March, so that's unfortunate. But they did at least get the main kits sent out before the embellishments. So here is the first paper from the Flora collection. It says really pretty colors, like kind of like a beigeish pink, orange, and a pink, and a like purplish pink. That's really pretty. Then we have these pretty flowers on a pink background. You know me, and if you know me, I love flowers and florals. So I am super excited to see what the embellishments are that we get in this month's kit. If it's anything like any of these flowers, oh my god, hold on to your seats. So that is a really, really pretty floral. And then pretty daisies on the back. I love this like deep pink, kind of purplish color. Ooh, this one's really, really pretty. And then we have, I'm not sure what type of flowers these are, but those are pretty too. More of an orangish color of a background. This one is pretty with a bunch of different types of flowers. And then we have, I'm not sure, what are these? Posies? Something like that? Pansies? Is that a flower? I don't remember. Then we have this 3x4 page. And this one has more like a red, purplish, maroon, and then like an olive green and orange and a dark hot pink is what I would call that. So the colors in this kit are just absolutely gorgeous. And then of course you can't live without a nice pink floral background. Ooh, and then we have the same background. I think this is the same as the other one. Let's see. Where did that one go? Huh. I'm not sure which one it was. Oh, it's this one. So it does. It looks very similar. It's just a different color. So this is more of a peachy pink color, and this is more of a yellow orange. So that's pretty. I like that. Two different colors, but the same type of background. So that's kind of fun. Ooh, I love this. This is gorgeous. That color. Ooh. Very, very pretty. You could totally fussy cut these. I might end up doing that. since I don't have my upgrades yet. Maybe I'll do that tonight and then make a layout using the fussy cut flowers. Here's another, I think, pansies or posies? I don't remember. Does anybody know what type of flower this is? Because I'm totally drawing blank. I really do love this background though. That's really pretty. It's got plus signs on it. And then we have another 3x4 page. Happy birthday. So happy for you, Bloom. Miss you. Hello there. Sending you so much thanks. Okay, then we have some pretty posies. And then here is a pretty floral. This one is a lot of little floral clusters. So that's really pretty. And then we have a pink floral. And then another pretty, this one you could probably cut out a few of these, like these bigger flowers, or maybe do like a cluster of flowers. That would be kind of fun. And it's got pretty, I think these are posies, right? I'm not sure. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. So pretty. No, not sunflowers. No, those aren't sunflowers. What am I thinking these are? I can't even. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyway, then we come to the element stickers. And of course, you just have to have all of the flowers, which is awesome. I love it. And then you have some just word stickers. And a border here at the bottom with some more word stickers. So that is part of my March kit so far. I think I might spend some time fussy cutting while watching some scrappy videos maybe. This would be a fun, like we could do like a cluster of the small ones and then a cluster of the big ones. That would be kind of fun to cut out. Because I definitely won't use this side, I don't think. I'm not a huge fan of just the flowers, but I love the cluster of flowers. So I might spend some time cutting that out. And then I'll probably cut a bunch of these out. So maybe I'll put those to the side. And then, let's see. I'll cut out some of these, I think. Fussy cut some of those. And then, let's see. We can cut out some of those. I like this background, so I'm not sure that I'll fussy cut any of these though, because I really do like that background for one of the layouts. And then, let's see, this I will probably do some cutting out of those. And I'm not sure about this one. I might just leave that and do a layout of that one. And then that one's really pretty too. So I think I'll probably spend some time just cutting these up. So I might just put you on fast forward and do that now and put that at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.